Manqoba, good afternoon to you. Former Director of Intelligence testifying today. Who is he and what has emerged?
Well, Jeremy, the former state security boss, Jeff Maqetuga, or Mzuvukile Maqetuga, as he calls himself now, testifying before the State Capture Commission. But we haven't gotten really into the meat of his testimony with regards to the blocking of that Gupta investigation. In 2010, you recall the testimony of Moshek saying that they had flagged the Gupta family as early as 2010 when those revelations had emerged from the then, or Fikile Mbalula, who was to be appointed the sports minister. Fikile Mbalula saying in an ANC-NEC meeting in 2010 that he had actually learned from the Gupta brothers that he will be appointed as the Minister of Sports. So those is where really the Gupta family was flagged then by intelligence. So Jeff Maqetuga is expected to shed more details on how this investigation was blocked. But what we've seen so far, Jeremy, we've gone into the sort of the building blocks of his testimony, looking at the intelligence and looking at the white paper on intelligence of 1994, when the intelligence service was amalgamated into one unit, which is a security state agency. So he says that one of the key or sort of a philosophies of that particular document was that the new security agency will actually also look into protecting the well-being of citizens, unlike the previous white papers that were there. So this one dealt specifically about protecting the interest of the people of South Africa. So this is important in his evidence because it will speak to the issue of the Guptas and why that investigation into the Gupta family was important for the intelligence to continue with it. And of course, we do know that from the testimony of Moshek, that investigation was blocked ultimately by the Minister of Intelligence, then Siyabonga Cwele, as well as former President Jacob Zuma. So we expect to hear more details after the lunch when he delves deeper into that investigation that they started in 2011.
All right, we'll keep a close eye on that throughout the course of the afternoon. Manqoba, thank you very much indeed.